Hey friends, my name is Raja Pachik and you're watching my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to make easy and simple buttercorn recipe.
Now take a utensil, add the butter in it. Now add all the corns in it. Once all the corn is added, mix the corn with the butter nicely for a minute. Once the corn is mixed with the butter nicely, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Now add little salt as required. Now mix the masala and the corn nicely for a minute. Once the corn is mixed with the masala nicely, cover the utensil with a lid and let the corn get cooked on slow flame for 5 minutes. Once it's 5 minutes, open the lid. As you all can see, your simple and easy butter corn is ready to serve.